Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Grace Mobile and immediately choosing the Only Way dart set. Make sure you have at least one full magazine. Once equipped, enter the arena and pick a stable position near cover. You aim by bringing the reticle to the enemy's torso, then tap and hold to steady. This reduces spread and increases hit chance. As you adjust, breathe steadily and track target movement. Anticipate where they'll be, not where they are now, to land the first clean hit. Once you've landed the initial dart, control recoil with 2-3 short bursts instead of holding fire. This balances damage and accuracy. Make sure to strafe unpredictably between bursts so opponents can't easily track you, and lean when reloading to minimize exposure. When the target closes distance, switch to secondary weapons or melee to finish quickly. If your ammo drops below 30%, retreat briefly to reload or reposition. You finish the encounter by aiming for head or other weak points to conserve darts and end fights swiftly. Don't spray unnecessarily. Once the opponent is suppressed, use a grenade or ability to flush them if they cling to cover, then peek safely to confirm the kill. If you notice aim jitter, inconsistent hits, or latency, pause and toggle sensitivity or network mode. Restart the match client if problems persist. These quick fixes restore consistency, so your next engagement stays clean and controlled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.